Yes.
So he didn't just stop at he knows he cannot win. The person who is contesting may be deceiving himself, but you who is now critiquing or criticizing him to declare that he will not win, that's playing God. Peter has shown that he's brought a new vista to politics. Why you cast all those stones? He uses them to build the steps to his greatness. Check all the since he started, all the people that have abused him. When we killed during the primaries, went to Anambra and finished him there and all of that. Peter's response was more like, Wike is my brother.
That's my brother.
When PDP people vilify him, that is Atiku men vilify him, he said that I was your VP and at that time I was very good, but now you people are calling me all sorts of names. When he goes to the church, the other people will say, why is he going to the church? He's playing politics of religion. When he goes to the southeast and tells them, listen, don't vote for me because I'm an Igbo man. Vote for me because I have character, competence, and capacity, and all of that. And they still attempt to colorize his campaign and his person and his candidature, the candidacy to an Igbo project. When the last one came from his governor, whom he has challenged to continue from where he stopped. He simply told him today that governance is a continuum. So, having done my bit, if I built classrooms without the roof, go roof them up. You're now the governor. If I didn't paint the infrastructure and all of that and the roads, go and do them. You have now an opportunity to behave like a professor that you are. He is just an ordinary trader, and that he has done his bit as governor. So he now should, finish well and compare with where he is coming from. So Soludo has dishonored himself terribly and exposed what has always been in the public domain, the views expressed by the likes of Konjiwala and all of them about Soludo and the overrated status he enjoys in Nigeria.
This same Soludo spoke so eloquently about the ability of the same Peter Obi as a man, as a good manager of men and resources, and who has given his best in service to Anambra State during his time in office. This was 19 July 2022. There was a video I also saw where he gave all manner of credits to Peter Obi. And it is stupid, sorry I have to use that word, for a sitting governor to open his mouth and say the investments of a governor who was there more than 10 years before him is
Who didn't hand over to you?
He didn't hand over to you. You are saying it's worthless. Okay, what is your responsibility as a governor? Okay, we have handed two things. The first thing, did Peter Obi invest or not? He did. Thank God.
Thank God.
You are not saying Peter Obi took the money away. You said his investment. Sir, you asked me a question, whether it's a bitter truth. The only truth in that letter is that it came from a very, very bitter soul.